Welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. So as you can see, looking a bit more professional, got my mic set up, is charged this time, and don't know if the color looks any better. Obviously I'll see in the post edit, but I've bought a filter for my lens as well, so hopefully my bald head isn't so shiny. So really good video today. So the brake company MTEC Brakes have actually sponsored me some brakes for my BMW build, which I'm so stoked for. So they are very flashy, so I was on the edge of doing this, but we'll see. So I'll show you the brakes discs, brake pads first even. They are really good quality. Like the amount of meat that's on them is really good. So I will be getting these on at some point. Let's have a look. So yeah, they come with the metal clips and everything. They are absolutely spot on. I've used these before, had these on my Focus and on my Lexus before, and the stopping power of these is just amazing. And for the price, you can't beat the price either. So this whole lot would have cost me around £230, I think, £240, whereas a set of Brembos or something like that would have cost a hell of a lot more. I priced it up, and even with not cheap Brembos, but like the basic Brembos, you're still looking £350, £400. So, and these do absolutely amazing. I had the drilled cut and grooved ones on my Lexus, and like I said, they were absolutely amazing. So they do all different kinds. I've gone for a different style because the Beamer, I'm doing a track style. So I've got the C-hook ones. So let me move these pads out of the way. But they do your standard like OEM ones where they're just nice and clean, vented, drilled, cut and grooved, just drilled, dimpled. These ones are C-hooks. They do all kinds of different ones. They also now offer coatings as well. So they do, again, like your OEM silver, they do black, and of course, the one I went for, gold. These are the fronts, I believe. Yes, these are the fronts. As you can see next to my head, they are ginormous. I was a bit on the edge about doing this because I wanted to keep the BMW sort of being an E46, do very like retro but modern Beamer, and I wasn't sure about doing this, but now I've got them, I'm absolutely ecstatic about them. As you can see, the quality, I can bring it in a bit, is absolutely amazing. The coating is literally exactly that. It's a coating. I had the black one on my last set, and basically, hold it up again. As you can see, so this bit here will be where the brake disc is, brake pad is. And as you wear this off, the gold will stay in these little inlays, C inlays. The hub will stay this color or whatever color you choose. So it will actually, won't all be gold. This bit will go back to the normal like silver chromy color brakes are. Like I just said, that'll be gold. These inlays will be gold as well. And like I said, it's just a nice sporty thing. Like I said, I wasn't sure about doing this because it said gold coating, so I wasn't sure if it meant, and obviously we all know things don't look like they do on the internet, so I wasn't sure if it was going to be gold like China Chocolate Factory gold or like a gold bar, but this is like a goldy bronzy color. So it's not like in your face, but it is still very high quality, very good coating. You can hear absolutely solid. Absolutely love them. Can't wait to get them on. Let me see if I can find the product code, if I know which side that's on. These are for, here we go. So these are the gold ones. These are PN 1007. And they're the C-hook ones. So if that's what you want, I'll link them below. That's the front. And then I've also got the rears, which you can see, obviously that's the front. And that'll be the back, because the BMW has brake shoes for the rear for the handbrake. But I am absolutely ecstatic over these. So like I said, everything of this I will link below. I've also done a couple of reels and stuff, so I'll throw that in now for a little montage. But yeah, they're absolutely amazing. I'll quickly show you the rear pads as well. Might as well. They're here. Like I said, the quality is absolutely next level. Like I said, it all comes with the metal brackets and everything, so I'm struggling to pick these up. But yeah, they've even got their own branding on the back. Absolutely amazing. And like I said, the amount of pad you actually get on them is amazing. Obviously that bit there is for where the sensor will go when I install them, which will be coming up in a later video. But yeah, absolutely, thank you so much. Their website is on this box as well. Let me just seal it if I can. There we go. So there's their website there, mtecbrakes.com. Again, there's the part number for these as well. But these are absolutely amazing and definitely worth getting, especially if you like me on a budget, but you also want some stopping power, because it's always nice to know your car does 1,000 miles an hour, but it's no good if you can't stop. So definitely thank you so much for MTEC on these, because without your guys' help, I would not be stopping. And like I said, I've had them on my last 2 cars, so absolutely amazing. Definitely worth it. Like I said, I'll link it all below so you guys can actually have a look. But they're absolutely amazing team, and the customer service they've provided me is, again, next level. You send them an email and they've replied literally within half an hour. So again, can't fault them. One of the best, to be fair, one of the best companies for cars, period, I've worked with. So if they haven't got it, they'll work with you to try and work out what you want or whatever, if you don't know what you want or don't know where you want to go, if you're not going to track your car or anything like that. Like I said, the customer service is amazing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for that. Right, I'll try and throw up a montage, but yeah, comment, like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.